So I have a constant velocity vehicle here. I'm going to get it started, and then I'm going to place a rubber stopper every second that it is moving, or every time interval. It might be every 2 seconds. And to see what does this look like, the spacing of the rubber stoppers. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to space mine at the front of the back wheel. So this is going to be at 0 time. There would be my stoppers for the markings, for the placement. We could do a distance versus time graph on here if we always said this was our origin, and then measure the distance to this marker, the next one to the next marker, and the next one, and we're always measuring from the origin. If we were to graph this, we would get a graph that is linear, and it would be going through the origin with our example shown here.